one of my followers said they wanted us to go to more food places and go to get
This shit good. This shit good.
good. I finally have gotten her to get on the road glide.
Okay, you're right.
I've been What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to meet up with some fellas and some ladies. We're going to go our separate ways. For the ladies, we're going to go to Velvet Taco in Waco. So we're just going to go down the road just a little bit, get a bite to eat, and head on back. So y'all stay tuned. Hope you liking what you see. And if you do, make sure you hit that button and subscribe.